Your patio shouldn't look boring, but finding a rug that can survive rain, sun, and dirt without rotting is tough. I was tired of spending money on rugs that get moldy or fade in a week, so I bought and tested the top 5 outdoor rugs on the market. I put them through the ringer to see which ones are actually durable and which ones belong in the trash. Product number 1, Fab Habitat Striped Outdoor Rug. I started with this Fab Habitat rug and immediately I noticed it's made from these recycled plastic tubes. It doesn't feel like a soft indoor carpet, but that's actually a good thing for outdoors. When I spilled a drink on it to test the waterproof claim, the liquid just sat on top and didn't soak in at all. I literally just hosed it off and it was dry in minutes. It's also reversible, so when one side got a bit dirty from my shoes, I just flipped it over for a fresh look. The colors are super vibrant, and because it's plastic, they haven't faded in the sun yet. If you want something that is zero maintenance and eco-friendly, this is the best pick. It's not the softest to lay on, but it's definitely the toughest against water. Product number 2, Nurasin Home Aloha Area Rug. Next, I rolled out the Nurasin Aloha Rug. This one feels completely different. It's actually soft under my bare feet. It has this raised texture where the floral pattern is, which gives it a really high-end, expensive look compared to the flat plastic ones. I was worried it would hold water, but after a rainstorm, it dried out surprisingly fast for a fabric rug. It really ties a patio furniture set together because it looks like a living room rug. I vacuumed it to see if it would shed, and it held up perfectly. It handles high traffic well, but keep in mind it takes a bit longer to dry than the plastic ones. If you want your outdoor space to feel as cozy as your living room, this is the one to get. Now, if you need something strictly for travel. Product number 3, Outdoor Plastic Straw Rug. I grabbed this generic plastic straw rug specifically for camping and beach trips. When I picked it up, I couldn't believe how light it was. I could carry it with one hand easily. It comes folded up, not rolled, which makes packing it into a car trunk a breeze. It's made of woven plastic straws, so it's completely waterproof. I threw it on the grass for a picnic, and it protected us from the damp ground perfectly. Shake it once, and all the sand and dirt flies right off. It's reversible with a cool geometric pattern, so you get 2 designs for the price of one. It's definitely not the most luxurious thing to walk on, but for the price, it can't be beat. If you are an RVer or need a cheap rug for the beach, this is it. However, if you want that farmhouse look. Product number 4, Easy Jute 3x5 Outdoor Patio Rug. I tried this Easy Jute rug because I love the look of jute but hate how scratchy and messy real jute is. When I touched this, I was shocked. It looks like natural fiber but feels soft and smooth. My favorite part is the scalloped edge. It adds such a nice design touch that looks great in an entryway or small patio. The biggest benefit here is that it's actually machine washable. I threw it in the wash after tracking mud on it and it came out looking brand new. It has a non-slip backing, so it stayed put even when my dog ran across it. If you want that trendy farmhouse aesthetic without the shedding and maintenance of real jute, this is a fantastic choice. But maybe you want a different pattern. Product number 5, Lahome Checkered Easy Jute. Finally, I tested the Lahome Checkered Rug. It's very similar in material to the last one, soft, not scratchy, but this diamond pattern is excellent at hiding dirt. I put this one right at the back door where the traffic is heaviest. The black and neutral colors mask muddy footprints really well until you have time to clean it. Like the other one, it went through my washing machine without falling apart, which is a lifesaver for outdoor rugs. The non-slip grip on the bottom is strong. I didn't need a rug pad underneath it at all. It lays flat immediately too. If you need a durable, stylish rug for a high-traffic entryway that hides the mess, this checkered design is the winner. Turning your patio into a hangout spot starts from the ground up. Whether you need a soft floral rug for comfort or a waterproof one for camping, these 5 cover all the bases. I've dropped links to all of them in the description so you can snag the best deal. Thanks for watching.